You shouldn't be here. All this is my fault.
You couldn't have known.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what everyone told me about your mom. You know why I used to call her Ray? Ray of sunshine. She thought it was corny as shit, but it stuck. If I'd have known I would have helped her, you know that, don't you? I mean, she was always so bright, so happy. To think she was carrying around all that pain, all that unhappiness every day. I should have seen it, but I didn't. She had to deal with it alone. All these mistakes. My mistakes. And you've had to pay for them.